We now have a drive shaft.
Now before you go telling me that, Simon, you should get a professional to build your drive shaft for you. You're right, but I'm not going to. It's a simple measure, cut, weld. It ain't that complicated. I should be able to handle that. And I can see if it'll, you know, do a little forward action and a little movement. Maybe. I don't know these things. I'm gonna try though. I gotta do the drive shaft now. I'm just gonna shut up. I should probably start with a tape measure though. Let me yeah.
I'm glad I ain't got no floor in here yet because this would be way suckier underneath. But I can do it all from up here. I sure would love to give you guys some words of wisdom on the correct way to measure a drive shaft, but I don't know what the correct way to measure a drive shaft is, so. I've seen it say you measure from the top, and I've seen it say you measure from the bottom. I don't know which one's right. Oh my God, why are you twisted? Get out of there. 43 1/4. 43 1/4. Now, I gotta write that down or I'm gonna freaking forget that. Where's all my markers? There should be like hundreds of them laying around here. I drop them all the time. Oh, there's one. What was it? Ah, shit. 43 1/4. Got it. Now to go try not to screw this up somewhere. Yep. Oh no, why is it leaking? What does it mean when my drive shaft leaks? What the hell is that about? We're not gonna worry about that at this juncture. That's a problem for future Simon to deal with. This is the stock shaft. This is the stock. Nope, I cannot be mature about this. This is the stock one. As you can see, it's quite large.
Get your shit together.
This is the stock drive shaft. I need it to be short. I hope this works because if not, I don't have a backup plan. So if I measure from where do I measure from? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna measure back the depth of that seal, and then I'll measure my 43 1/4 from there out for my length. And I'll have a little play if I need it. So I need to lay this flat on the ground maybe, would that be easier? I am probably way overthinking this, but I'm trying. Yeah, should be fine-ish. What's 43 minus 7? 36. No, I didn't use the calculator on my phone for that. 36 1/4 minus 7, or plus 7, should be 43 1/4. There's a lot of maths going on here. I'm really gonna screw this up, I bet. So I actually need the end of the shaft to be here, but I think I'm just gonna cut it off there and then get that off of there, and then I'll shorten this up as I need to. I think that sounds like the best plan. Oh, you thought I was gonna use like professional equipment to do this? Like a lathe and a nice high quality bandsaw and stuff? Nope. We full on hack from one end of the build to the other. Beautiful. Woo! Echo, echo, echo! This is more manageable now. That grinding disc sucks, but it don't matter, I got it anyways. Sweet, sweet! I did grind my thumb, so that's awesome. I gotta get the yoke on the end of the shaft, so I'm just gonna kind of set it on here where it needs to be roughly, mark it, cut the shaft back, get it as squared up as I can get it with what I got for stuff. Then I'll tack it all in. We'll do a test fitment because I don't trust myself. If everything looks good, we are gonna burn that sumbitch in. Then I think I can see if it'll move. I probably should bleed the brakes or something, but we are so close. So close. Are there more accurate ways to do this? Oh, probably. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. It looks pretty damn close. I bet I can measure it. You know what? I can. I have a tape measure. Duh. Right on the money with some room to spare. We'll just put you up there, I guess. One thing I do know about building shafts is you gotta make sure your U-joints are in phase, or your yokes. These are both the same on both ends. Otherwise, you're in for a world of hurt. Well, we're gonna go for it. If it's wrong, I'll be going to the junkyard and getting another one. So let's hope for not wrong. Maybe just another measurement. I've measured and measured and measured everything I can think to measure. It's gonna be either right or wrong, so. I mean, we're right on the money. We're within a 16th. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. All that work and it's not even, they're a little eh.
Damn, these things are fast.
Damn it. All right, let's try this a different way. Oh, freaking. It's money. It's money. It's better than it was the last time. As long as this thing fits in the truck, we're gonna burn it, send it. Hell yeah. So she's in. It's obviously just kind of rested in there a little bit. It'll come back a little bit once I get the caps in there, but they're just kind of set in there, and the other side doesn't even have a cap on it. It came out a little farther than I expected there because I didn't account for how much it actually goes in back there, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's only out an inch farther. This is where it rode originally, so it's only out an inch farther than it was. I'm not gonna lose any sleep over it. I call it a win. Well, there she is in all her glory. It's mint. I can't really do a whole lot more tonight with it. It's late, so I can't get a new U-joint for it, which I need, because this one's not going back in because it's junk. So I'll have to stop and get a U-joint after work tomorrow. I can go and check that drive shaft off the list now. Yes. Burnouts are coming. Burnouts are coming. Burnouts are coming.
The next day.
We need to have a discussion here, even though you're a new U-joint. And well, yes, I bought the cheapest one. I need you to pull your weight this year. You're gonna go through a lot of burnouts and shenanigans because that's what I like. So just suck it up, Buttercup, and hold together for me, will ya? I'd appreciate it. Sweet. I wasn't sure how this angle was gonna be with this new shortened up wheelbase, but it's not really that bad. Not that bad at all. Yeah, I could have made my drive shaft like an inch longer, but whatever. I've had worse. Yep. We now have a drive shaft. Ooh. We're getting close.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.